What's up? I hope you're doing well. I'm Wizardos and this time we'll be solving Airplane Machine. It's fairly new, it was published like 2 days ago. Yeah, exactly 2 days ago. Alright, let's go. First, I export the IP. I won't really want to remember it. So yeah. Then I will scan the ports with Rust scan. Alright, 2 ports are open. 22, so probably in a SSH, and 8000, so I'd guess a HTTP server. Alright, so this will take some time, as well as we can add airplane.thm to etc/hosts. So sudo nano/etc/hosts. Now we input our password. As I solved this machine before, I'll scroll down to the bottom and replace the IP with this. Save and exit. Staying on this machine, it is a medium level machine. It took 60 minutes, but in my experience with it, it took a bit more. Let's put it this way. But yeah, it's all the templates are taken. That's it. How does it work? Right now we can check the port 8000 or airplane. Airplane.thm. So there's a simple web page, nothing much, but it has this. When you see a website that takes parameters to show the pages like this, there is a fair chance that it might be vulnerable to path traversal and LFI. Let's try it. Let's add a bit of slashes and read, I don't know, etc/password. Enter. Something got downloaded. As you see here, it's a full password file from the machine. We've got 2 users, Hudson and Carlos. That's it. That's what we can do. Let's maybe try and... Alright, the nmap finished. Yeah, this is the SSH and this one runs the Werkzug on Python. Werkzug is a server for Flask. It's probably a Flask app. When we analyze the source code, we can see that there is a... we can see there is a page. It says static. So I don't know how to enumerate it, but maybe we try app equals ./app.py. It's nothing, page not found. Maybe up there and download. Yeah, there is a page. We've got the whole code of it. Yeah, we see here is the LFI as the parameter from request args. Doesn't get sanitized in any way, so you can escape the static directory and just check it. What can we do now? Let's maybe try and check let's maybe check processes. /pros/self/end-viewer. This one shows us all the environmental variables. Sadly, it's not yet formatted. We can just do it in a while run. Why not? Oh, there we see that this process, so airplane.thm Werkzug server, runs as user Hudson, which, as we know, is one of the users. Fine for us. Maybe after rescanning, will give us something more, because there is one more port that you can check it by going to /prots/tcp/net. /net/tcp, yeah, our way around, I think. Exactly. There's this weird hex file, but with a little help of a script, yeah, we can try it. I wrote it before. It's called, I call it TCP parser. It's a modified version of a script I found on GitHub. I guess it's all linked in the article version, the written one, so you can check it out. It's in the description. Right now, let's run it. Python parser, yes. So we see we've got open port 22, it's 000, 8000, as well as 6048. What's port 6048? It's kind of nmap maybe? Nmap IP -p 6048. Yeah, this is open. We're running X11 service, but I don't really think it's X11. Let's try and enumerate something else. First, we really have to find the actual process that it runs. Right, so we can even try and brute force the curl. I used it before. I got it from our writeup. From JaxFed. As I guess it goes. Right now, let's go. Let's brute force. First one says has been in its splash. It's not the one we're looking for. And we see this port, this process also runs as Hudson with ID 1001, just like the service on port 8000. So very good. Send the journal, udevd, networkd, but it's still not this. They're all typical Linux processes, so nothing really interesting for us. Daemon running, Python, save root helper, syslog, udisk. Nothing much. There it is. You see? With PID 522, there is a file called user bin gdb server. So run gdb server. Can I pen test it in some way? Let's Google this gdb server. Go to Bukat X36. There's one cool trick we're gonna use. As you see here, we're gonna upload the command and then run a debugger, because gdb server, as it says, is a tool that enables the debugging of programs remotely. It runs alongside the program that needs debugging on the same system, known as the target. This setup allows the GNU debugger to connect from a different machine, the host, where the source code and a binary copy of the debugged program are stored. Make an app capable of connecting service. So that's probably the reason why I said it's like X11 service and not GDB server. Alright, let's maybe curl -o airplane, but instead of, we're gonna curl this, so 522 CMD line. Yep, that's it. Now we're gonna connect to it, so GDB. We're gonna connect to it, but first we need a binary to execute. Let's copy this one, which is the Nasploit Venom. And replace the IP with interface. TryHackMe runs on tunnel 0, so I'm gonna put just here tune 0. This binary gets created. We can wait for a while. Alright, binary is there. Now, as it says here, we can change the permissions, so everything's good. And connect to the GDB to debug this binary. Then we set a remote debugger server. Instead of this weird IP, we utilize R1 and add port, so it's 6048. everything looks like. Then we put the binary. We can't put it. It says access denied. Because we can put it in there. How about /tmp? That's alright. Now we set the one as critical file, but instead of home/users.binary, we set it to /tmp. Now we can stop the listener, netcat. We set up for 4444, so we set up netcat start this port. What's more? Just run. Yes, start in the beginning. Connection is there. Maybe our shell. Who are we? Hudson. That's nice. Let's stabilize that shell. Otherwise, import pty. Let's pound /bin/bash. We got. Let's go to /home/Hudson. Sadly, there is no user flag, but maybe there's another user called Carlos. As you see, it's here, so probably his flag is in there as well. Then, how can we escalate? There is. Let's check SUID. I gotta copy it from my Notion template. Wait. Let's use find to check for SUID. SUID. Paste. But yeah. We find this one. We look for everything that has either SUID or SUID. Like you see here, there is one binary that stands out. Find. And we can run it as Carlos. Alright. While it's running, let's go to G2FO bins and search for find. There it is. SUID. Copy this payload. We'll just create a shell. And now it says /user/bin, so we select this /user/bin /paste, enter. Who are we? Carlos. As far as I remember, trying to pound /bin and bash. Typo. There's C. Import pty. pty.pound/bin/bash. I forgot the code. /bin/bash. And now it turns out we are out of pty devices. Are we TTY? Actually, yes, we are. But I don't like using the shell. Let's kill this process. Quit. I'll go to home carlos.ssh. Install. Nothing is in there. So amazing. So I'm gonna grab a public key that I found 3-m. So I started a web server for my documents/tools, and now I upload there my HTTP key. My SSH key, that's HTTP key. Never mind. 3.8000/authorized keys. Oh, not port 8000, but port just port. Copy. Of course, this one is my IP from TryHackMe. Authorized keys. Everything is there. Alright, now I can log into SSH as user Carlos. Yes, I know this. I have a shell, full shell. There is a user flag using cat user.txt. You can get it. let's have the previous. Maybe we can run something as sudo. Yep, we can. We can run anything that's inside the root directory and has the Ruby file extension. But this entry is vulnerable as well. We can utilize path traversal, something really similar to what we have used here. Let's go to /tmp and create a new file called shell.ruby. Let's see if I can kill. I don't know the Ruby reverse shows, so let's just find it. I have it saved here. This gets worked well for me, so that's it. It's linked in my article as well, for you to copy it. Paste. Yep, I want to paste it. Port is here. It's 1337. I don't really care. But we need to change this IP from 1 to 7. So from the local host, no, I don't want to our one. So 10, 9, 3 to 30. Alright, save and exit. Now I'm going to set up a listener on 0.1337. That's it. And run it. I'm going to use sudo /user/bin/ruby, then /root and here I'm going to use a traversal, so escape the root directory, go to / and then tmp /shell.ruby. Enter. Have it. Who are we? Who am I? Root. cd/root. And that's it. There is this file. That's it also. Machine has been hacked. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out my other write-ups like Overpass and Cyberlens. In the meantime, like in some time, I'll also publish a RootMe write-up, so subscribe to stay tuned, leave a like, maybe some positive and negative comments. Also check out my blogs in the description. I think I will link them all. That's really about it. See ya.